Hey everyone, my name is Youssef. We all know that time is money, and as a videographer that edits my own project, I know how every minute can be really valuable. That's why I'm excited to talk about MotionVFX today. I've been using their plugin for quite some time now, and they create some amazing time-saving plugin for Final Cut Pro. So if you haven't heard of them yet, MotionVFX sells packs that contains everything you need for your videos. Things like titles, animation, background, overlays. And the beauty of MotionVFX is that their plugins are so easy to use. Just drag them on your timeline, make some minor adjustments, and voila! You don't even need a tutorial to get started. But if you want, you can head to their website or on their YouTube channel, and they have a lot of tutorials over there. By the way, if you would like to purchase one of their plugins, you just scroll down the plugin that you would like to choose, and you will see animation and preview animations of everything that the plugin sells, like every single thing that the plugin sells. I think this is really good because you know what you pay for. So good job, MotionVFX. Now I know that some of you might be thinking, yeah, but aren't these plugins a bit pricey? Well, yeah, they do come at some cost, of course, but here's the thing. It's gonna save you hours of editing time, and the quality is top-notch. And I say that it's gonna save you editing time because anyone who ever tried to create motion graphics know that it can be incredibly time-consuming. And that's the main reason why I use MotionVFX, by the way. It saves me time, because I don't have time to create those animations myself. This way, it lets me focus on the part of editing that I love, like color grading and music design. And hey, I've been purchasing these plugins with my own money, and I'm not rich at all. So if I can purchase it, I know you can. Also, I think it's worth mentioning that if you purchase 2 of their plugins, you get 15% off. If you buy 3 of their plugins, you get 20% off. And if you buy 5 plugins, you get 30% off. So that way you can save a lot of money if you buy in batch. But the real power of MotionVFX is that their plugins are fully customizable. It's so easy. Just drag them on your timeline and you get on-screen control that you can adjust things like angle, the position, and the scale. And for even more customization, just head to Final Cut Pro Inspector window and you will find things like changing the color, the font, or the animation in and out. This way you can get a totally different result with your plugin. So I'm really happy today to make a video about MotionVFX because I've been using them for quite some time now, like I said in the beginning. And I think it's a must-have for Final Cut Pro users. I'll put an affiliate link below, so if you decide to go through my link to purchase one of their plugins, I'll get a small commission. This way it can help my channel, and it also motivates me to create videos like this. So thank you in advance if you use the link in the description below. So let's take a look at my favorite plugin from them. It's called MTutorial. I use this plugin all the time on my YouTube channel when I create tutorials, and I think it makes my life much easier. It's one of those all-in-one packs, meaning you get a little bit of everything like titles, backgrounds, animation, add-ons, and much more. One cool effect that I use all the time is the zoom effect. This is the effect that I use to zoom on my face or zoom on something that I want to highlight. And it's a really smooth zoom, like even smoother than what you get inside of Final Cut Pro like native tools. Once again, you can use the on-screen controls to adjust things like where the zoom will happen and also the scale of the zoom. I will also use sometimes the focus animation to highlight some part of the video that I would like and blur the background. Pointers are really cool too. I use the arrow pointer all the time. It's quick and easy to use. And of course, you can customize it to your liking. You can change the color, the position, the scale. In the same section, I'll use the click animation that simulates a click. And with the sound designs of a mouse click, let's say, I find it's really good to catch someone's attention. Guides are really useful too. I use the Save Zone guide to make sure that my titles or social media animation are in the right area and doesn't leave the safe zone. The backgrounds are cool and again, fully customizable. There's also a corner drop zone. You can use that to put yourself on the screen if you'd like to for tutorials. You can change the shape of that drop zone from rectangular to circular if you want, and you can also customize it to your liking. The selection line, this one is also really cool. I use it to highlight some parts of the video I want to highlight. Again, you can fully customize the shape of the selection line with the on-screen controls. Then you can head to the inspector to change other things like the color, the width of the line and if you want drop shadows or not. So even if I don't use each one of the effects inside of the plugin, the ones that I use, I think are enough for me to justify the purchase of this pack. So yeah, it's really good. Anyways, this pack is filled with really useful tools, and if you do YouTube videos, especially tutorials, I highly recommend this one. So ultimately, MotionVFX plugins add that extra pop that makes your videos stand out. It makes my videos more dynamic and more enjoyable to watch, I think. They're easy to use, customizable, and really a time saver. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye.